What a beautiful fruit Mother Nature's created. Ripe for the plucking, ripe for the enjoying. Michael Parrish, CosmicCuts.com here, today with this gorgeous Amethyst Geode, fruit from Mother Nature. Really unique piece. Nice, vibrant purple coloration on this one. Very, very cool. Let's take a closer look at this magnificent specimen. Oh, baby. She looks sweet enough to eat. Absolutely incredible Amethyst Geode specimen. Like I said, that's a really cool shade of purple we got going on. Nice deep and dark high quality crystals with a gorgeous luster. It seems to just shoot light off of it. Really incredible. We got these gorgeous crystals that go all the way around, as well as this nice deep blue agate that frames the crystal, making it absolutely gorgeous. Really showing off that deep purple. Looks good from all angles. Got this magnificent piece of calcite here as well. Let's get a close-up of that. Very, very cool. If light hits it just right, you get rainbow prisms throughout this sucker. Absolutely incredible. This Amethyst Geode, more Amethyst Geodes, and world-class crystal specimens available now at CosmicCuts.com.